Okay guys, here's what I've discovered on this engine. I think I'd mentioned in thread, I hope you can see, yeah, there, that should be showing up pretty good. This was the lifter. This is the number 6 cylinder exhaust lifter. This is what I found when I took it out. I couldn't really see in there and couldn't turn the engine at the time really. I didn't pay too much attention to the cam, but I mentioned that I needed to check it. Well, I got around to that yesterday after messing around with those lifters and cleaning them and all. Well, actually, it was worth it. It was, I've got some good ones now that are reusable should I ever need them, I think. Anyway, we'll get on to what's going on here. Okay, let me drop this lifter in there. Okay. Intake. Well, the intake, where's my exhaust? So yeah, that lobe is definitely shot, for sure. I mean, proof positive right there. I can't really get in there so you can see it. You can see it, but and it's scarred all up, and there's nothing there. There is no lobe. It's gone. So that concludes that this engine's shot. I'm sure the filter caught a lot of that crap, but there's an awful lot of metal got ground off of that lobe for it to be gone like that. We got down in this engine. So I'm not going to be using this one. I guess I'll take the one out of the 94. See if you can get over here and see. I'm going to take it out of this one and swap them out. That's a 90,000 mile engine. It's in fine shape. I've got all new gaskets for it. So I'm just going to swap them out, take the, change the gaskets, clean everything, and put it in here. So I'm going to try and get this one out today. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully I'll have it out. It looks like it's pretty straightforward. I don't know. I'm trying to do it and leave the air conditioner hooked up if at all possible. Reason being, I don't want any moisture getting that, because I don't know how long it'll be before I can actually have an engine in it and everything back together and it running. The clutch will be here Monday, but that don't mean nothing. It could be, I'm going to North Carolina in a couple weeks, so I don't, I know this, what I'll get done this weekend, I'm not sure, probably, coming, this weekend coming. I don't even know what my work schedule will be like towards the end of the week. But it'll eventually get swapped out, but I got to get this one out, and that's my goal for today, is to have this out of the car. So I better get cracking. I've already lost an hour. The time changed.